Hey, so you've seen all those TikToks and YouTube shorts about people making cash online, right? Well, today I'm breaking down exactly how you can start making money with the Temu affiliate program, step by step. No fluff, just real talk and actionable tips. First, what is Temu affiliate marketing? Basically, you promote Temu products using a special link, and when someone buys through your link, you get a commission. Simple, right? So, how do you join? Super easy. I've dropped my referral link in the description below. Just click it, sign up for the Temu affiliate program, and boom, you're in. You'll get your own unique affiliate links to share with the world. Next up, how do you actually promote those links? Here's the trick. Don't just spam your link everywhere. Instead, think about where people love discovering cool deals. My top picks? TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. These platforms are gold mines for affiliate marketers. Let's start with TikTok. Create short, snappy videos showing off trending Temu products. Use popular sounds, captions, and hashtags like #TemuFinds or #TikTokMadeMeBuyIt. Drop your affiliate link in your bio or comments and invite viewers to check it out. Instagram is next. Use stories and reels to highlight awesome deals or unboxings. Share your link in your profile. And don't forget swipe up links if you've got over 10K followers. Engaging photos, funny reviews, or honest product demos work really well. Now, Facebook groups. Join groups focused on deals, shopping, or your niche. Share genuine reviews and only drop your link when it makes sense. Trust me, people can spot spam from a mile away, so keep it real. Feeling a bit shy on camera? No worries. You can also write quick reviews or top 5 deals posts and share your links there. Or use Pinterest to create eye-catching pins with your affiliate links. People love discovering new products on Pinterest. The key to success is consistency and authenticity. Share products you actually like, talk about your experience, and always be upfront that you're using affiliate links. That builds trust, and trust leads to clicks. So, are you ready to start earning with Temu affiliate marketing? Click my link below, sign up, and start sharing. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on making money online. See you in the next one.